Welcome back to a brand new video here on Swell Hub. My name is Gibmoses, and in today's video, let's tackle Bitcoin against the USD. Bitcoin is currently backtesting a very important level, and this level is a major resistance level at $27,000. So I'll get into a minute of how this level is vital, why it's very important in the coming hours and possibly minutes. As you guys know from previous videos, we've been discussing this falling channel on the Bitcoin pair. A falling channel, or a bullish flag formation, as some people would say, is a pattern trading within this rectangular pattern. Alright, eventually this rectangular pattern will come to an end, and we will need to break out to the upside or to the downside. Right now, because price action is at the resistance, we have a higher chance of breaking to the upside. This is not 100% confirmed quite yet. What makes such scenario to the upside a 100% confirmation, which is of course a low risk, high reward trade setup that people look for, would be a confirmation break above $27,300. Until Bitcoin is able to cross above such level and hold above nicely with volume and divergence, of course, then look out for a further rally to the upside. However, if, and this scenario I must put on the table to give you both sides of a possible setup, that way you're able to trade accordingly. Now let's assume that price action continues getting rejected at the resistance. As we know, a resistance level is where seller pressure continues to grow, and we tend to see a further pullback. Let's assume that seller momentum continues to grow. We continue forming rejection candles just like what we're doing right now, clearly on the 4-hour candle. This is a rejection candle. If such rejection continues to grow, then no question asked, I expect a pullback to the downside. This pullback should take us to approximately our 1.618 fib level at $25,700. Cool. Again, these bearish scenarios that I'm sharing with you is if Bitcoin is unable to cross above 27,300. So your first target will be at 25.7, second target at 24.6, and last but not least, your major support level at 23,700. Cool. And from such level, expect a rally. Now, such scenario, once again, and I want to make it crystal clear for all the new investors out there, such scenario is valid if we remain below this white dotted resistance level at 26,900. If at any minute, any hour, any day, price action decides to cross above this white dotted line and trigger $27,300, this would invalidate our pullbacks and would simply mean that we would head up from such levels all the way to our bullish pivots. Bull targets I won't get into in this video. Let's first get our confirmation break and we'll go from there. This right here is your Bitcoin against the USD analysis. If you guys have any further questions, as always, shoot your messages in the Discord and I'll be more than happy to help. Without further ado, I'll see you all in the next video.